Good morning, beautiful people. Rise and grind. Somebody right now, under the sound of my voice, is feeling discouraged. Maybe you've burned all of your bridges, trying to cross one again. You feel like people won't trust you because of your past. You feel like, what's the point of it all? You take 2 steps forward just to get knocked back down 2 more. Your girlfriend or husband's a whore, and your life is a bore. You feel empty inside, so you just need a fulfilling of more. Well, let me tell you this. God, your higher power, my higher power can restore, right? You want a new body, you feel depressed. The higher power will grant you discipline. Just say less. Endurance is the key for this journey here on earth. Renewing our minds, our bodies, and our soul, I think, is the objection before we ride in a hearse. I hope you guys are following me. I'm only trying to encourage the ones who hurt. I am her. Today, make today magical. Know that magic does exist. And I'm talking about that good magic, not that bad magic, baby. Get up, put on some clothes, and act like you bought it and got it. It's I.I.C now, baby. Deuces. I love you.